Welcome to the most natural sounding hearing aid ever. Introducing WIDEX Moment, a hearing aid that processes sound so quickly that for the first time in a digital hearing aid, distortion caused by processing delay is eliminated. So now, all you'll hear is a pure, natural, and engaging sound. A sound preferred by users in real-world tests. Not only the most pure and natural sounding hearing aid ever, but also the smallest rechargeable lithium-ion hearing aid of its kind in the world. Discreet, convenient, and with a portable, easy-to-use charger. Now you'll always have the power you need to stay connected in the moments that matter most. We've also worked hard to ensure that WIDEX Moment is as durable as possible. An advanced nano-coating keeps moisture away from key areas of the hearing aid, while new stainless steel receivers allow for a smaller design that fits into more ears than ever before. And with direct connectivity to the WIDEX Moment app, users can access the power of SoundSense Learn and real-life insights, so they can get a better, more personalized sound in any situation. WIDEX Moment. This sound changes everything.